Yeah, this is your favorite real estate investment coach. So over here we have 600 square meter plot of land in Legacy Estate that we are selling for people who want to buy and build. If you don't want to buy and build, just skip this video. We are looking for people who want to buy and build right now. So it's going for 35 million naira, last price. Last price. Don't call for negotiation. This is the last price. So look over here, you will see that this is the property in front of Legacy Estate. You can see those terrace duplex by the side. So from the gate to this plot is about a minute drive. It's not even up to a minute. It's just, let's just say, a minute, and we are selling it for good price. The plot number is 92 in case you want to go and do your research, right? So call me with the number on the screen. Let's get you started. Come, let me show them the plot so they know exactly where it is. So it started from here. If you look inside, you can see the block. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a block walk. It started here. You can see this road. It continued from here. Six hundred square meters. So even if you want to build a big duplex, it can enter. So it stopped here and it went down and cut across this other plot. And yeah, so this is your positioning, right? So this is where you put that your beautiful duplex that is worth over 85 million naira. So call me the number on the screen. Let's get you started.